Hey everyone, Dex here with TGW. The home improvement industry is seeing substantial growth since the pandemic, and if you're like me, there's always something to work on around the house. Because of this growth, DIY retailers are facing higher pressures on their logistics networks to deliver products quicker, more accurately, and at higher volumes. The purchasing channels are also fluctuating between in-store, buy online, pick up in store, or purchasing your goods online to ship to your home. Paired with labor challenges in distribution operations and a wide range of SKU sizes, retailers must find a way to navigate through these challenges to ensure that you have a great customer experience. In our blog post, you'll learn about some of the common challenges faced by the home improvement industry and how automation technology is solving these challenges and helping retailers improve their operational resiliency and efficiency while making the work environment safer and better for their teams. Check out this blog post to see how your favorite home improvement retailer is investing in the future to ensure that they have what you need in stock at the right time, at the right place, while giving you flexibility in the way you shop.